Hey guys, this is how to adjust microphone sensitivity in Windows 11 or adjust the input volume. So first thing that you will do is go to the start menu over here and go ahead and go for the settings. And after that, once you are here, just simply go for the system over here. And now from here, just simply go for this sound on the left side. And you should be able to see here your input. So from here, guys, just simply go for the device properties. And after that, you could just simply go for additional device properties. From here, guys, you should be able to see here levels. And from here, you can adjust the levels over here. And once you are done, you can just simply click on OK and should be able to adjust it. And you could start the test. And as you can see, when the volume is much more lower, it is much more lower. And when it's much more bigger, as you can see, it is moving more. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.